Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Can-Am RYKER 600 Ace. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This vehicle has 1,085 miles, and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this vehicle's charging output of 14 volts. The front and left tire is at 730 seconds, the front right 730 seconds, and the rear is at 930 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order so you can see the parts and labor we invested in this vehicle when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This vehicle has one key and comes equipped with reverse. It's been upgraded with MTX Audio 2-speaker audio kit, an aftermarket windshield, a passenger seat, handguards, and rider footrests. This vehicle has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. This vehicle comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.